Hey everyone, Lee here, Okanagan Sawmill. Bringing you another video today. What we got on today is firewood. So basically you can see that we've already made a start on the firewood. So I've got a couple of rows already stacked up. This firewood shed is pretty rickety. We'll be building a new one, hopefully either at the end of this year or the beginning of next year. So basically we've got another 4 rows to fill, and then that'll be about 10 full cords of firewood, give or take. So the setup isn't the best at the moment just because of the position of everything, the way doing it, but like I say, things are going to change in the future. So we've got a kinetic splitter, so it works really well, especially for the woods that we have here out west. It's all softwood, so spruce, pine and fir for the most part. So yeah, we got that, and then we got a little elevator, and then but obviously it just dumps it all there, and then we can just stack it into the woodshed. So obviously what I do, I pick each log up with the excavator and then buck it up, so I get a whole bunch on the floor, and then I do a bunch of splitting. So I've got a whole bunch of logs there, firewood logs there, and then way back there there's a whole bunch of firewood logs, and there's a few extra big ones here if we need to. So yeah, that's what we got going on. The light is terrible, sorry. That's what we got going on, so I'll get you set up, and yeah, let's get to it. All right. Hey everyone, so yeah, that's it. Got it all done. So here we are, it's all stacked up. Yeah, lots of wood. So we've got enough here for a few years. So yeah, that's pretty wonky at the end there, but there you go. But yeah, it's all stacked up as high as it can go. So yeah, and had a bit of a cleanup as well. So yeah, that's like I say, it's a good job to get done. I like to get a couple of seasons ahead. It's always nice so you don't have to do it every year, because it makes such a mess when you split and everything. So yeah, that's it for this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.